So today I want to talk about this pet product called Aura Pets Nano Drops. It's a liquid supplement for dogs, and it's been popping up online a lot lately because it makes some pretty big promises about helping with dogs' eye health. The company says it uses some fancy nanotechnology to get the ingredients absorbed really well, like 98% absorption under the tongue. That sounds cool, but I wanted to dig a little deeper and see what's really going on. Here's the thing. They claim it can actually reverse serious eye problems like cataracts, glaucoma, and corneal damage. They say it can fix eye proteins, activate stem cells, and clear out years of buildup to restore vision. But honestly, those are super serious issues that usually need surgery or professional vet treatment. Right now, there's no solid science or vet studies showing a supplement can do all that. They also say the product can activate adult stem cells to regrow eye tissue, which sounds like sci-fi. Supplements might help overall cell health a bit, but actually regenerating eye tissue like stem cell therapy? That's not proven or really possible with any pet supplement out there. On top of that, they say it's a safe, cheap alternative to surgery, like only 2% of the cost. That sounds great, but it's risky if people think they can skip vet care and surgery by just using this. Delaying treatment for eye diseases can make things worse or cause permanent blindness, so that's something to be really careful about. If you check out reviews, Aura Pets has tons of 5-star ratings and people raving about quick results and awesome customer service. But honestly, a lot of those reviews sound kind of scripted or maybe even generated by AI. The few bad reviews out there are serious though. Some dogs reportedly had bad reactions like vomiting or seizures, and some folks said customer service didn't get back to them. When you see mostly glowing reviews that feel a little too perfect and only a few real complaints, it's natural to wonder what's going on. I'm not calling it a scam, but there are definitely some warning signs. The big promises just don't have strong proof behind them right now. So, if you're thinking about trying this or any new supplement, make sure to chat with your vet first.